by the dawn to crush a critic saying, hey ho, here she goes, she's making do. Hey ho, here she goes, the girl will do. Hey guys, like always. For you. Your awkward smile, it makes me laugh every time you walk past me. You wear the same shirts all the time, it's like you just have 3D. I laugh at every single one of your jokes, you know they're all the same. I don't think you'll ever need to change. Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to start off by doing a cover. This is Amy McDonald's Mr. Rock and Roll. To someone who tells him that his balance is wrong. He's got nowhere to go, he's on his own again. Erratic of the century is acting like she used to be, dancing like there's no one there before she ever seemed to find out she wouldn't dare. It's so rock and roll to be alone. She's never seen a shade of grey. Always something on her mind every single day, but now she's lost her way. And where does she go from here? Mr. Multicultural says all that one could see. He's living proof of someone very different to me, but now he wants to be free. So he can sing, and I'll meet one day and say, I wish I would. And he'll say, I wish I knew you, I wish I could see you. Time is still on my side.
Season. Right, we're ready to get into this then. Who's ready for the big switch on? Girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen, next up on stage we'll conjure up the magic of Christmas with this year's fabulous family pack.
Yeah, she came round last week, she said, Simon, I'm sorry I can't see you anymore. I said, I'm behind the settee! No, seriously, she said I was really nosy. Well, she didn't say I was nosy, I read it in a diary, right? It was really bad. Now, Mum, yes, who is this beautiful lady you brought with you?
This is the princess.
Oh, princess.
Hello, boys and girls!
As well! Amazing! And are you looking forward to Christmas?
Yeah.
Someone very special coming to visit you on Christmas Day?
Yeah.
Who's coming? Santa, yes, he's going to bring you lots of lovely presents. Yes, what's he going to bring you? A Barbie doll. Is he going to bring you the new divorce Barbie? It's brilliant. It comes with Ken's house, Ken's car, Ken's keys, Ken's everything. Just me. And have you had a good time up here today? Yeah. Give a big round of applause. Right, I'm just getting a badge over here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Give a big round of applause. Very brave young lady. A round of applause for Courtney. Lovely. Now, all of you stay where you are. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to sing through a very, very famous Christmas song, and I'm sure you'll know the words to it. It's called Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Have you heard of it before? Have you heard of it before? Yeah, so what we're going to do, Princess, we're going to sing through Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, sung not by Bing Crosby. Okay, here we go. After... Has a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, this side, like a light bulb. Reindeer, like Pinocchio. Rudolph joining any Rudolph with your nose so bright, won't it? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in here. Do you think they did really well down here at the front? I think they did really well. They were very, very brave. What did you think, Princess? Do you think...
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've got a little secret to tell you. These lights will only come on if we charge the system, okay? And we've got to charge the system with cheers, okay? It's all about Christmas cheers. So I want to have a wee competition and see if this works. I want you to imagine a great big line right up the middle, and I want this side in one team, and I want this side in another team. And this side has got to beat this side, and same again, okay? So everybody on this side, on the count of 3, I want you to scream, clap your hands, stomp your feet, jump up and down and make as much noise as you can. Do you think you can do that for me? Are you ready to do that?
Easy. One for you. There we go.
Let's see. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't know, like... Oh, it's a close one. What about this side? 1. I don't know, but we'll try the back. Can everybody at the back let me hear you? The back are really quiet, aren't they? I couldn't hear them. I think the front. Let's try it one more time with everybody. Right the way to the back, right the way to the front. On the count of 3. I think the system is now charged. Let's radio. Oh no, you can't. We do love a bit of panto, don't we, Dumfries? Let's see if they can hear us in Stranraer. Now that's 75 miles away, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So you're going to have to make it pretty loud. Are you ready to scream, stomp your feet, clap your hands so that they can hear you in Stranraer? I'll ask that question again. Are you want them to hear you in Stranraer? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3! Are you ready for the countdown? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! We've got Team D&G mascot. and it's an absolutely wicked cause. So no, you haven't. Oh no, you haven't.